Welcome in Dayavati Modi Public School, Class 6, Lesson number 6, Introduction to GIMP. After going through this chapter, you will be able to identify the features and the functions of GIMP, identify situations in which GIMP can be used, work with image in GIMP, and make use of some of basic tools of GIMP. What is GIMP? It is an image editing software is used everywhere. GIMP is an acronym of GNU Image Manipulation Programs. What is the acronym? Acronym is an abbreviation formed from the initial letter of the word that form the name of something. Example, UNICEF means United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. It can be used for tasks such as editing and retouching an image, converting an image from one format and drawing free from image. It was developed by the Spencer Kimball and Peter Mattis in 1995 as a college semester project. Its first version was officially released in 1996. It is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Components of GIMPs. Main window. When we open an image, it is shown in the main window. Toolbox offers us a variety of tools that help us to draw, edit, and manipulate images. There are 5 types of tools. Number 1, selection. Number 2, brush. Number 3, color. Number 4, transform. And number 5 is miscellaneous. Layer box. An image is made up of the various components, and these components are called layers. Imagine several photos stacked on the top of each other. Then think of these photos together, making up a single image. These several photos are layers. Selection tool. In a selection tools, we have the various different options. Number 1, rectangle select tool is used to select a square or a rectangular area in image. Ellipse selection tool is used to select elliptical or a circular areas in an image. The shortcut key for the ellipse selection tool is E. Free select tool is used to create a selection by drawing a freehand using the mouse point. This enables you to select areas of similar colors of the area at which we click on and then select all the areas of that color. Paint tools. In a paint tools, again we have the 3 different options. Number 1 is a pencil tool. It is used for freehand drawing, and the shortcut key for the pencil tool is N. Paint brush tool. Paintbrush tool points soft edges line. Bucket fill tool. It is used to fill color or a pattern in an area. The shortcut keys of it are Shift and B together to directly select the bucket fill tool. The pencil and the paintbrush tool are similar tool. The main difference between the two is that although both use the same type of brush, the pencil tool will not produce fuzzy edges even with a fuzzy brush. Thank you.